Hey, Pallav with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this particular video we are going to be comparing between Udimi or udimi.com versus individual solo ads vendors. Now in a moment from now we'll be comparing these two different sources of buying solo ads traffic based on different parameters. What is good for us, whether we should be buying from Udimi or we should be buying from individual sellers, and then depending upon the different parameters you can choose your own journey. So stay tuned in this video, and just for staying with me in the entire video I have a super special bonus for you at the end. So let's begin. Alright, so we are going to be doing a detailed comparative analysis between Udimi versus individual sellers based on different specific logical parameters and my own experience. Now, let me give you a brief about what is Udimi and what is individual sellers. Now, individual sellers are people from you can buy traffic directly from. Basically, they are the individual sellers who are selling solo ads traffic from their own email subscribers list, versus Udimi, which is an end-to-end one point solution about your solo ads traffic needs. You can buy any amount of traffic from Udimi depending on your choice. So let's quickly go and see. Now if you don't know how to buy or how to contact individual solo ad sellers, the first group I'll recommend inside Facebook by the name of Solo Ads Testimonials. You can see it has 41.1k members, and here you can be seeing plenty of solo ad sellers out there we can contact and buy traffic from. Plus people are posting testimonials about individual purchases they have made. For example, Roland has sold traffic to Yana, and Yana has posted a testimonial about how many clicks she has received: 220 clicks, 51.4% opt-in, and 100% tier 1 sales. She has got yes sales. Like Sonu has bought traffic from Damodar, and 100 clicks he has ordered, received 119 clicks, 37% opt-in, no sales mentioned. Now Vita V has purchased traffic from Jasdeep, ordered 500 clicks and received 507 clicks with the opt-in rate of 54.9% and 100% tier 1 with 14 sales. Now why I am mentioning that, because you can see that transparently people are putting reviews about individual sellers like this. And if you want to contact the individual sellers, simply go to their Facebook profile, send them a message that I have checked out your testimonials in this group, I would like to do business with you, so please help me out on how to begin. Or if you go to their website directly, you can directly visit the site, have a look at the website, and you can also order directly from their website. So this is the way you can reach out to direct solo ad sellers or solo ad vendors, and you can start your business. Having said that, let's quickly come and now logically see the different parameters on which we can compare. But before the comparison, let me quickly also show you Udimi. If you do not know about Udimi, now Udimi is basically one platform from where you can buy traffic from different sellers. Unlike going to individual sellers and checking that, you can go to this website and you can basically see their ratings, see their testimonials, and you can order traffic from them. This is number one. Number two, which is again very important, is that you can also see their past performances, you can see their past testimonials, how it has been doing, how many sales percentage they have got, and all the cool stuff. Plus, when you order traffic from them, you are kind of protected by Udimi. From the start, you place your order to your order being executed, accepted, and delivered, and then you get your rating. Entire thing has been monitored by Udimi, whether you're getting any wrong clicks or not, whether your clicks are delivered in time or not. Everything is being monitored and governed by Udimi. It's like some big brother is sitting behind you and they are protecting you at every single step. So now, having understood what is individual sellers and what is Udimi, now let's begin. The first criteria is buyer protection. Now Udimi has 100% buyer protection, and we need that, especially as a newbie. If you do any kind of mistakes or if you kind of scammed by the sellers, Udimi is there. No need to worry, you will get the right amount of traffic you have placed. You will be getting 100% guarantee for every click you have ordered for. So as a newbie, I love to have someone sitting or standing behind me and protecting me at every single step. But when you are dealing with individual sellers, obviously you are dealing with a one-to-one person, so no such guarantee or no such protection can be there in that case. Number two is the platform driven control. Like I showed you, Udimi has 100% end-to-end platform driven control led by their software systems and policies. Wherein in individual dealers, individual vendors, you are dealing with an individual person. No such kind of platform driven control is there. You have to communicate with them also on a one-to-one level. Now, traffic protection is kind of part of the buyer protection. Now, when you're buying traffic from different sellers, there are some sellers who will send you some kind of flag bot traffic and non-traffic, which is no use for your business. Not only that, it can spoil your autoresponder reputation and they might ban your account. So, you have to be really, really careful with that. When you deal with Udimi, they protect you at every point of time. But when dealing with individual sellers, you have to kind of take that guarantee on your own chip, on your own shoulders. So in most of the cases, they will not do any kind of hanky-panky, but in some cases they do it. You need to be responsible for those kind of traffic protection. Next is transparent, honest reviews. Like I showed you, in case of Udimi, the review, once you go to any particular seller, you can see their past performance and their reviews. You can just scroll down and see, and they are very much serious about their reviews from their customers, because they take their business seriously, and if they get multiple negative reviews, they will be out of the business very soon. Although in case of individual sellers also, you can post the review in those kind of Facebook groups like solo ad testimonials, but because people are posting reviews on a daily basis on a single place about different sellers by different buyers, so it might get lost very soon and it might not be that relevant in the future. Time-based delivery. Now Udimi protects you at every single step. If your seller has told you will be delivering your order within X amount of time, less than 96 hours, so they have to do that. Otherwise, the order will be cancelled and you will be getting the clicks for free, and they'll never get paid for that. Wherein in individual sellers is more on a one-to-one basis, and if they are preoccupied with more orders, let's say they have got 10-12 orders, so sometimes it get delayed and it can impact your business big time. Buyer seller interaction. Now in Udimi, the interaction is on single platform, seamless interaction. You can interact with 5 different sellers at one point of time just by clicking their name, and you can interact with them. Everything is also put in the memory, so even if you visit after 1 year, it's there, the chat is still there. Wherein in case of individual sellers, depends what kind of platform they're using. Some might be using Facebook, some might be using Skype. So if you are dealing with 1-2 sellers, it's fine, but if you're buying from 6 sellers, then you have to remember what communication it had with which person on which it, and sometimes it can be a bit cumbersome job for you. Next point is traffic cost. Now because Udimi provides you the platform, the software, the policies, all the things, so they get a little bit of chunk from your order, which the checks which you pay to the seller. And in case of individual sellers, the cost is going to be usually lower because they don't have those kind of overheads. However, for any newbie and for the buyer and traffic protection, I will recommend anyone to go with Udimi, because they would love to get protected when they are placing the order, because there is someone to guide and monitor their traffic at every single point of time, like someone is guarding them. So but that's your choice. The next point is marketing expertise level. This is your marketing expertise level. If you are a newbie, I 100% recommend you to start with some place like Udimi, or Udimi specifically, because it's the #1 solo ads traffic marketplace in my opinion, in my experience. So start with Udimi because it protects your traffic, it protects you as a marketer, your interest. However, once you grow as a marketer and you have more knowledge, you know the sellers, you know the marketplace, you know what to do if something goes wrong, then you can move to individual sellers to save your 10-15 cents per order. However, for a beginner, I suggest to start with Udimi in the beginning. Now the important point of overall ratings. My ratings for Udimi is always 9 out of 10. The one number which I deduct might be for a bit of extra cost, which is fine in my case, in most of the cases. And individual sellers is 7.5. Now this is an average rating I have given in my experience. Some sellers are good, they can get a 9. Some are bad, they can get a 4 out of 10 also. But average, if you go to the right place like solo ad testimonials, if you interact in the right manner, buy the traffic, then you can have no problem. That's why I've given it a 7.5 rating. So Guys, that's it from this particular video. Do let me know how you have liked the content. If you have bought traffic from Udimi or individual sellers solo as traffic before, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any further question, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to answer your question on a one-to-one basis. Now, having said that, if you have loved this particular content, do give it a thumbs up so it encourages me to make this kind of power-packed content coming your way. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Do subscribe to my YouTube channel so this kind of content when I create, and hit that bell icon so whenever I create this kind of content in the future, it directly get notified inside your email inbox. Now coming to your bonus. Now in the comment section or in the description, I put a bonus of my 10K per month groundbreaking affiliate marketing system, which you can grab for completely free of cost. Having said that, in the next video I am going to be doing something awesome. I am going to be doing an insider sneak peek and a detailed review of Udimi solo ads traffic. So stay tuned with me and see you in the next video.